Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Wanted to get on here today with a food vlog. I'm doing 7 days, well 5 days of vlogging, but I'm recording 7. 2 of those will be in text boxes because I have a family that is home all weekend. I would never be able to vlog on the weekend at this point in my life. But I'm live vlogging 5 days, so you will get a real good idea, if you want it, of how I eat and work out. Anyway, I'm going to jump right into this and I hope you enjoy it. Good morning, y'all. Okay, I'm going to the gym this morning. I'm doing 45 minutes of cardio, and before I go, I'm going to get some chocolate almonds. So anyway, I'm going to have this and I'm going to go to the gym. I'm going to head out and I will check back. Okay, y'all, I just got back from the gym, had a really good cardio session, did 45 minutes on the bike. Now I'm having egg salad, sausage, and an apple. I either have a grain or a fruit, never both, because those will set off sometimes my cravings, and I just don't, I don't like that much carb. And I'm going to point you down here and I will show you how I'm having that. Okay, so we're having the apple, we're having the egg salad and the sausage. And this is the sausage I use. It is delicious. This has 230 calories, 19 grams of fat, and 3 carbs. Then I always keep eggs boiled. Actually, I make these in the egg fryer. I'll put those directions down below. These jump out of the shell. And then my mayonnaise. That will be breakfast, and that should hold me all day. If it doesn't, I will meet you back here for a snack. Y'all have a great day. Okay, for dinner, I'm going to have leftovers from something that I had over the weekend, and that is egg roll in a bowl. And then I'm also going to have some chips with it. So hang on, I'll point you down and show it to you. Okay, so this is the egg roll in a bowl. That's just a bag of slaw that I cooked with butter, and it's got salt and garlic salt, and however you want to season it, and then I just put hamburger meat over it. And then I put a little sweet and sour sauce on it. That has sugar, but yeah, I'm not real worried about that. And then these grain-free Sautee chips are delicious. And I'm gonna have probably 2 servings of this. I did really good on my carbs yesterday, and so this will be more of a moderate carb day. And then I'll have some coffee with Cool Whip in it. That is my dinner, and I will check back with y'all next time I have something. Good morning, y'all. Okay, so I'm headed to the gym, and then I'm also running a bunch of errands. I have to go to a bank 30 miles away, close out an account, so I have a really busy day. Oh, and then I have an eye doctor appointment with my daughter. Before the gym, I'm going to get just a handful of these Planters pistachios, and then after the gym, I'll have more of them. I'm taking an Atkins bar for a little snack on my way to the bank. And I'm taking some craisins. So I'm just going to kind of graze my way through most of the morning. I'm heading out and I will check back with y'all, and I hope y'all are having a great morning. Okay, it's 2:20 in the afternoon, and I ate all the stuff that I took with me this morning. My Atkins bar, my nuts, my cranberries. So I'm going to point you down and show you what I'm having. Okay, that is jalapeno cheddar sausage and squash, and I cooked that with Parmesan, and you can just bake in the oven. And then I have some ranch with it for a little bit of fat, and I don't count carbs from veggies, so really, to me, that's like a 0 carb lunch. That is gonna be my late lunch, and I will check back with y'all. Okay, so for dinner tonight, I'm having breakfast because my husband's working late, the kids have already eaten, so I'm kind of on my own. I'm gonna point you down and show you what I'm having tonight. For dinner tonight, this looks like my breakfast, but I'm having 2 hard-boiled eggs, jalapeno cheddar sausage, and it's this one by Eggroll, and it's delicious. And then I'm having a piece of gluten-free toast and coconut milk. Good protein, a little bit of carbs, and some fat. I will check back if I have a snack, and y'all have a good evening. Good morning, y'all. It's Wednesday morning, and I'm on the way out the door. I'm going to go run some errands, then I'm going to the gym, so I won't be home till around 1. So for after the gym, this is Planters pistachio nuts and cranberries. I'm taking a coconut Atkins bar. I'm headed out the door. I hope y'all have a good day, and I will talk to y'all in a little bit. Okay, y'all, for workouts on Wednesdays, I usually do either a weight circuit or free weights. It's kind of just a bonus day because I do 2 pumps. I do one on Sunday, one on Friday night. So Wednesday's just kind of whatever I feel like doing. I usually work biceps, triceps, shoulders, and a lot of days I will do 10 sets of 10 push-ups through the day, and that'll be my workout. Today, I'm going to pump. at 5:30 because a friend asked me to, so I'm getting a real good bonus. So I'm getting a bonus today. I'm gonna go to pump tonight, so I'm gonna get 3 full body workouts in. So that's really good, but usually this would just be a bonus day. So anyway, hope y'all are having a good day, and I'll see you in a few minutes at breakfast. Okay, y'all, I'm having breakfast number 2, or a snack. And it is just an entire apple cut up with a big spoon of peanut butter. Y'all, I get a bunch because this fat will hold me. I'll also get a big coconut milk. This will hold me fine, and I will check back here in a little bit with dinner. And that is dinner. That's taco soup with a little bit of coleslaw on the side, and I cut up just a tiny bit of sweet potato because I thought that sounded really good in that. And then I'm not having a little handful of crackers because I choose between fruit and gluten-free crackers at night. Or if I'm trying to lose some bloat, I won't have either one. But tonight I feel fine, so I chose between fruit and gluten-free crackers. And I'm gonna have berries after. So I'll be back and show you how I'm having my berries. So anyway, I will be back. Okay, y'all, I have my berries and Cool Whip, and this is how much I get. And I'm gonna have that, and I'm gonna have some coffee. I only do this once or twice a week. If I make this a habit of doing this after dinner, I can have blueberries every morning. But after dinner, in the evening, once a week, or I start noticing a little bit of bloat. And again, if I had had the crackers, I would not have this. I pick between my fruit and my grain. So anyway, I will check with y'all tomorrow. Okay, so it's 10 o'clock and it's a break day from the gym, and I'm about to head out. I have a Bible study and then I have errands to run. So I'm piecing my meals together today. It'll be just kind of small meals until dinner tonight. So as usual, I'm getting nuts and cranberries. I just put these in a Ziploc bag and I take them with me. And I get, a pretty good handful of nuts. Actually, I'm gonna get 2 of those. I'm going to get 2 handfuls of nuts because this is going to be pretty much my breakfast. And then the cranberries, I get a pretty good handful of those too. And these are higher sugar, but this is all I'm having. So I'm going to have that. I would say that's probably 25 to 30 carbs. And it is about that much because this is my breakfast. And then I'm also going to have an Atkins bar. So I'll have these. Then I've got my water, I've got my coffee. So anyway, I hope y'all have a great morning, and I will check back. Okay, it's 2 o'clock in the afternoon and I'm having breakfast. That was pretty high sugar this morning with all those cranberries. I feel like I need some good protein. So I cut up a boiled egg, and I have 2 pre-cooked sausages, and then some unsweetened coconut milk. This will kind of balance out the kind of large serving of cranberries I had this morning. Balance everything back out with the protein and the fat, and then I will check back for dinner. Hey y'all, okay, I'm going to point you down, and what we're having is oven fried chicken breaded with gluten-free crackers. I will eat as many chicken strips as I want because that's my carb. I don't add bread, rolls, so the breading on the chicken is just right. So if you're eating like me, don't be afraid of breading. And then I'm making sweet potato, kind of a fry, in the oven, and zucchini. So we'll have some good fat, some good protein, some good veggies. The carbs will be in the sweet potatoes. So I'm gonna point y'all down and I'm gonna show you how to make this. Okay y'all, and that is oven fried chicken, sweet potato chips, and then I put some Parmesan on the zucchini. So anyway, it's gonna be really good, and I will check back with y'all. Okay, so it's Friday morning, and on Fridays I do a pump class at night. That starts at 6, so I'm not going to do cardio till 5. So I'm getting a slow start. It's 12:20 in the afternoon. I'm having breakfast. I'm going to point you down here and just show you real quick what I'm having. This is just egg salad. I keep boiled eggs made up in the fridge. So I just peel 2 eggs, threw some mayonnaise in it, then blueberries, a half a cup, and then a big glass of coconut milk and coffee. It's good protein, good fat, a little bit of fruit sugar, and the coconut milk will be nice and filling. So that is what I'm having this morning. I will check back with y'all here in a little bit. Okay, it's 5 o'clock and I'm doing pump and cardio. So I'm gonna do 45 minutes on the bike, and then I'm gonna do a pump class. And I also brought nuts and cranberries. I'm going to eat these while I set up the weights, and then I'll go do the cardio. So anyway, I'm going to go do that, and I will check back for dinner. Okay, y'all, I had a really good workout. Did 45 minutes of cardio. The pump class was good. But now it is 7:25, and I'm about to make dinner. And I'm going to do one of these real good pizzas. This has a chicken and Parmesan crust. This is true low carb. It is 4 grams of carbs, so 8 for the whole pizza, and I'll have the whole pizza. And 25 grams of protein, so that'll be 50 grams of protein. Yeah, 50 grams of protein and 8 carbs. And then I'm going to put hamburger meat on top of it, and it will be delicious. It doesn't set off any cravings, no bloating. I love this. So anyway, I'm going to cook this, and I will be back and show you my pizza. And that is the chicken crust pizza. I do cook it up on a rack on a cookie sheet with edges because it has a lot of drippings on it and it can get real messy and real soggy. I'm gonna have this and I'm gonna have coleslaw. So anyway, y'all have a great rest of the evening. Okay, and that is my food vlog. I hope this helped you. If you have any questions, put this down below. Any recipes you want to share, what you're doing that is really working for you with your diet. We would all love to see that so we can do it with you. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. Leave comments and questions down below, and I'll talk to y'all soon. Y'all have a good day. Bye.